Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a restaurant, founded in Canada. It offers a variety of fast food items, specializing in coffee, donuts, and other baked goods. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. In British accent, we may pronounce it as Tim Hortons, Tim Hortons, Tim Hortons, Tim Hortons. While in American accent, we may pronounce it as Tim Hortons, Tim Hortons, Tim Hortons, Tim Hortons. Tim Hortons was founded in 1964 by Canadian hockey player Tim Horton and Jim Sherrard. If you enjoyed learning about Tim Hortons, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.